How to apply for Section 8 housing in New York. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Section 8, also known as the Housing Choice Voucher Program, helps low-income families, seniors, and people with disabilities afford housing in New York. The program is managed by the New York City Housing Authority. Currently, NYCHA is not accepting new Section 8 application. The most recent application window was June 3rd to June 9th. If you apply during this period, you can check your waiting list status through the NYCHA self-service portal. If you previously applied, you will receive a notification by email once the waiting list is finalized, except by August 1st. You may also get a call from NYCHA to check your application status. Log into the NYCHA self-service portal or use the link in the description. To qualify for Section 8, your household income must be within the set limits for 2024. A single person must earn $54,000 or less per year. A family of 4 must earn $77,600 or less per year. Larger families have higher income limits as shown on the screen. If Section 8 is unavailable, consider applying for public housing, which provides rental units managed directly by NYCHA. When applying, make sure your information is accurate. Incomplete or false details could delay or deny your application. If you face discrimination, call 311 or contact the NYC Commission on Human Rights at 718-707-7711. That's it.